Hello and welcome to your Daily 5 with myself, Jane Gallina, also known as Airplane Jane. I am out there on social media to help you guys. If you ever have any questions, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, my website, cjanetrade.com, and feel free to always email me at jane@cjanetrade.com. So what time is it? It is time for gold to shine in the spotlight. You've heard me talk about BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa as putting their currency backed to gold. Well, we've also had Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Turkey also join it. We've recently seen that Ghana has set up a new contract to purchase oil with gold, sort of disrupting that power of the petro US dollar. So what does this mean? Well, we've also had some dark pool activity. And if you don't know what the dark pools are, come on over. I'll tell you at the end at thedarkpools.com. It's really where the big guys place their trades in the market. We have seen quite a lot of activity in the past week on Barrick Gold itself. And if you look at the chart, you can see, oh my goodness, with this volume histogram, we are just above this price threshold for volume, and it gets better. So on the daily chart, we have a little bit, it looks like a nice little rounded bottom that's forming. And even on the weekly, oh, it's even nicer, right? If we can get up above this 1625, it looks like we're going to very quickly make it up to 1750, 18, and potentially up to 1850, $20 from there. And we also have it on the monthly chart. Look at that buying wick on the monthly chart. We are the last day of November, and that is some pretty strong buying power, taking out almost the past 3 months completely. So I do like Barrick Gold up above 16 if we can get up there. Continuation move up, like I said, up to potentially 19 is this black line here, this resistance of this threshold point. So if we go above 19, all right, let's see it up to new highs. Next up is GDX gold miners. Well, if gold is going up overall, it's going to be worth it for these miners to go ahead and really put in the effort to produce and bring out that gold out of the ground. Again, a nice, beautiful rounded bottom on our daily chart, which when we step it back up to our weekly, yes, look at that. We are above that volume histogram again, almost, just barely, right? So if we are able to break above, I'd really like to say 2850 up to 30 and then continuing move to the upside. Typically when we see gold move, we see that it has a nice run. We could easily see this move back up to 45, if not higher. We have those countries that are going to gold as their basis for their currency, for backing it up. We've also seen that out of the COMEX gold supply, that the banks have been buying it hand over fist for the past 4 months. We have Basel IV requirements going into effect January of 2023, saying that, hey, if you have deposits, you've got to back it with physical metals. Another reason why those banks are buying up gold. And the miners will begin to produce more, as it is easier when they're getting paid more for the gold. Unlike Bitcoin right now, where when we dropped below 16,000, it was no longer profitable for a lot of Bitcoin miners, right? So when the cost of the item that they are producing is increasing, it's easier for them to produce more because they're earning more. Next up, we also have IAU Gold Trust. We do have a bit of a bull flag here. I would like to see this break up above 33.50. So we had the rounded bottom, maybe even a potential cup and handle, double bottom as well there. So when we look at it over here, let's put on our drawing tool right here. So we've had a rounded bottom and a bit of a handle, right? So when we break out from here, 31, we'll call this 33.50. That's going to be a nice $2.50 move. So we'd be looking for it to move up to, whoop, I did not mean to roll it up there, 22, oh, my math is off, excuse me, 36. I was thinking 35. 33.50 plus 250 up to 36, which also happens to be the resistance right here. I love the mathematical aspect of this. All right, after that, these miners, oh my goodness, Rio Tinto up to new highs, right? And we are looking at this. It does have a potential to pull back a little bit down to 66.50 area. However, with gold surging, the amount of gold that they have at their disposal and the liquidity of the company as well, this looks like a nice potential one to hold on to longer term as we see gold increase in value, right? We are just at the bottom of our volume histogram over here. A clearance above 70 would likely give us absolute new highs overall for Rio Tinto. And full disclaimer, next one that is up is Wheaton Precious Metals. I did buy into this the end of September and quite happy. Bought in down at the end of the month right over here and seen a nice 25% rise. This one is silver and gold, right? So as we see that silver also increases, Wheaton Precious Metals will increase as well as gold increasing in value. So they do have some of the largest stores of both and have nice liquidity on their balance sheets. Overall, a nice move up on our weekly chart. We see, oh my goodness, again, this nice rounded bottom, right? 38 down to 30. That's going to give us a rough new estimate, $46 up here, right? How long will that take? Well, if we start to get into a squeeze scenario that the COMEX is not able to produce the gold, that will drive up the price. Just like with silver, I was talking about silver contracts are at roughly 18 times the total number of ounces out there that are registered to be delivered. Gold is roughly at 2 times the total number of registered ounces to be delivered. So if there's no more gold available to be delivered, that's going to create a gold squeeze and likely a silver squeeze at the same time as well. So that has been my daily 5. If you guys like what I am presenting to you, please come and join me every morning for my day trading watch list on YouTube. My live stream is at 8:15. Thank you very much. That's your daily 5. Carpe Profit. Seize those profits one trade at a time.
Hey guys, Dave Keller here with StockCharts.com. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, and we hope you did, hit the like button right below. Also, we have so much new content every day. Consider subscribing to the channel. Just hit the subscribe button in the video or right below. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Have a fantastic day.